Hey YouTube, what's happening? Charles and Chargers back. Favorite day of the month. Got the rookie card explosion box, volume 24. So been looking forward to this one. It's another solid lineup, as usual. We're going to get right into it. Get through this and head off to work. I work today and tomorrow, and I'm on vacation until New Year's Day. Can't wait. Not going anywhere, just going to enjoy the festivities with the family. Well, best we can anyway, I should say. All right. Our lineup. We have the 81 Fleer, 2014 Bowman Draft, 2015 Chrome, 15 Update, 16 Chrome Update, 17 Topps Update, 19 Bowman, 19 Heritage High Number, 2020 Chrome, 2020 Heritage, and 2020 Update. So another solid lineup. Let's get right into it. We'll just go right on down the line. We'll start off with the 81 Fleer, looking for the Harold Baines, Fernando Valenzuela, and Danny Ainge. This is always so cool opening up these older packs. Hey, piece of gum. Can eat that right quick and start vacation today. All right. Dave Goltz, Bill North, Jose Cruz, Vic Davalillo, Al Holland, Alan Ashby, Bruce Sutter, remember him, Johnny LeMaster, Joe Sambito, got the Ozzie Smith, that's pretty cool, checklist, that's actually Blue Jays and Giants, Larry Herndon, Jeff Leonard, Tim Flannery, I remember him too, Dave Concepcion, remember him, checklist of the Angels and the Cubbies, and Joe Niekro. Cool, I'm happy with that, Ozzie Smith. All right, getting into, 2014 Bowman Draft. Eloy, Devers, Chapman, Trey Turner, Chris Bryant. These cards are kind of cold. I just got this out of my mailbox. Okay, Spencer Adams, first Bowman. J.P. Crawford. DJ Peterson, Chrome. Grayson Greiner. It's a nice looking card. Luis Severino. Dylan Davis. First Bowman. And Ramel Tapia. All right, Chrome. Topps Chrome 2015. Lindor. Not even going to bother saying his name. Baez, Bryant, Buxton, Gallo, Noah Syndergaard. Starling Marte. Swisher. James Shields, Refractor. And Springer, Rookie Cup. All right, 2015 update. Lindor, that guy, Bryant, Buxton, Gallo, Syndergaard, Rosario, Gio Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham. All right, Just Marja. Ruby De La Rosa. Josh Rutledge. Zach Greinke. Alcides Escobar. Gold from the All-Star Game. Numbered 1881 of 2015. Jim Eisenreich, Pride and Perseverance. Mad Bum, Potent Padres. Daniel Fields, and Craig Breslow. All right, 2016 Topps Update Mega. Got Trevor Story, Julio Urias, Blake Snell, Corey Seager, Michael Conforto. Those last two are rookie debuts. Dean Kuykifer, Robinson Cano, Cody Reed, Austin Romine, Monsters Motown. Cool card. Hanley Ramirez. Okay, customized batting glove. Okay, that's cool. I don't recall seeing that before. Pat Dean and Kelvin Herrera. Case 17 update. Bellinger, Chapman, Luke Voigt, Moncada, Aaron Judge rookie debut, Bregman, Castillo, Josh Hader. All right, Jose Ozuna, Giovanni Gallardo, Magnarius Sierra, Ender Inciarte, Wade Davis, Aaron Judge All-Star Game rookie, Clay Buchholz, Justin Haley, Stuart Turner, and Justin Smoke. Okay, 2019 Bowman. Let's see. Paper and chrome of Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Marco Luciano, Joey Bart, Freudis Nova, Noelvi Marte, or Elvis Martin, and Seth Beer. Okay, got Juan Soto, Whit Merrifield, Taylor Ward rookie, Kevin Kramer rookie, Kevin Newman rookie, Willen Zastadio, Brandon Marsh. Nice. Fernando Tatis ready for the show. That's cool. Alex Kirilloff, Christian Javier, nice Eloy, and Brewer Hicklin, first Bowman. That Eloy is cool. Not a first or anything, but still cool. Heritage High Number 2019. Base cards and action variations at Tatis, Vlad, Eloy, Pete Alonso, Keston Hiura, Austin Riley, Carter Kieboom, Brendan Rodgers, Chris Paddock, and Mike Yastrzemski. All right, David Hess, Andrew Miller, Melky Cabrera, Nicky Lopez rookie, Anibal Sanchez, Nick Senzel rookie, Brian Goodwin, Jesus Sucre, and Tyler O'Neill. All right, let's see. 2020 Topps Chrome. Base cards and refractors: Luis Robert, Bo Bichette, Alvarez, Rosarina, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. Okay, you got Yu Chang, Trevor Williams, Xander Bogaerts refractor, and Zach Collins. All right, 2020 Heritage. Bichette, Alvarez, Rosarina, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. Got Tommy Edman, Emilio Pagan, Justin Upton, Eric Fetty. Stock trading is automated for the first time. Tyro Estrada, Tyler Chatwood, Robinson Cano, and Renato Nunez. All right, 2020 update. Rosarina and Trent Grisham are your main two. And opening this, check out my, if you haven't already, check out my video of my 2020 Topps Update Jumbo Box recap. I did good. I did good. All right, Bryce Harper, Home Run Derby. Matt Davidson. Jairo Diaz. All-Star Rivals, Torres and Mookie Betts. Tuki Toussaint. Kenta Maeda. Todd Frazier. Chris Iannetta. Miles Straw. Oh, that's a nice one. Alec Bohm. That's nice. Trace Thompson. Lane Thomas. Freeway Victory. And David Price. All right, so didn't hit anything huge this month. So that's okay. That just means somebody else will. Did get the Alec Bohm prospect. Nice Eloy there. Tatis ready for the show. Little stack of rookies. I did get the Judge All-Star Game rookie version. That's a cool card. I'd never seen those that I can recall anyway. Just a couple inserts I like to keep and everything. So, all right. That's it for this one, guys. Again, thanks again to Filmington for doing this. You know, I know it can't be easy. It just seems like a lot of work. So, but it's very much appreciated. It's always fun. Always my favorite mail day of the month. So, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck with your explosion boxes. I hope you pull something big. And I'm off to work. So, stay safe, stay healthy, and talk to you later.